Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear viewers, we are going to start 3D portal frame design in STAAD PRO. So this is our plan and this is our elevation. Okay, this is our portal frame and here is our section. We will use this section for modeling the portal frame. So let's start. We will use STAAD Pro Connect Edition, latest version of STAAD Pro. So let's create, go to new, then this is our location. You can browse it from here, then you can write the name 3D portal frame. We will start with analytical and new unit we will use metric. So now create. Okay, here in similar way in old version also we were using this one 00 coordinate to create a node, then go to select node cursor, select this one. We will first create this interior frame, then this end frame, then after finishing application upload, then we will copy this interior column to other grids and this end frame to this grid, and we will edit the load direction. So let's start with this interior frame. This is 5.5 meter in x direction. So we will go to geometry. This is the replicate or translational repeat. Okay, here we will type 5.5 meter and this will be x direction. This is x direction. Okay, we will click on view, here 3D and display whole structure. Okay, this is the one point and this is another point. Okay, this one we will select node cursor and we will replicate this one to y direction 6.2 meter, 6.2 meter direction y, link steps. Okay, now this one we will move to y direction. Total length is 77721 meter. Translational repeat 21 along, not y direction, this will be at z direction. Okay, sorry, I will select not node cursor, select this beam cursor, this one, then geometry, translational repeat 21 and this is in z direction. Okay, so this is our column frame. Later on we will assign properties. Now we will draw the rafter line. To do this one, we will add beam from here, this node to this node, and we will break this one. Beam tool, insert node, at midpoint. Okay, now we will select this node and we will go to translational repeat. This one we will move at height 1.2 meter up to ridge level 1.2 meter. Okay, or we can move this one. Another option, we can not go to node, then move node. This is in y direction 1.2. Okay, yes. Now here we will draw the beam again because we have drawn from this direction to this direction. I want to use from here to here and here to here. I can delete this one, delete this one, sorry, this node I don't want to delete, so Ctrl Z. Then we will go to view this. Okay, here we will draw, we will add beam from this node to this node and this node to this node, left to right and right to left, so that this side is starting point. When we will create node, we can give a distance to create node. So now from here to here, for example, this is 2.5 meter. So select this one, go to beam, insert node, distance 2.5 meter. Okay, so here node added, and this one from here to here, this one 5.5. select this one, select control, select this one also, then go to insert node, distance 5.5 meter. Okay, so now this is our interior portal frame alignment, and this is the segments. I'll go to view, this is our view. This one we can keep or we can delete, no problem, we will check this later. This node, now we will select this one, go to select node cursor, this one and this one, then go to support, create pin support. I will use pin support here, then select this one, assign, yes. Now go to geometry again. Now I will create properties, define tapered eye section. Here is our section properties, 400 to 650, 8, 350, 10. So web depth will be 400, 0.4 meter. Thickness of web will be 0.008, depth 0.65 at the end, and width 0.35, thickness of top flange 0.01, that means 10 millimeter. And these two things, it will be taken by STAAD PRO automatically because there is no variation in bottom flange thickness and width. Add this one, number 1 column. Number 2, define tapered eye in similar way. We will define these sections also, 650 to 400. Okay, 0.65, thickness of our 0.008, then depth of flange, depth of web at the end 0.4, width 0.35 and top flange thickness 0.01 and bottom flange it will be taken automatically, same this one. Okay, add. This is our number 2 section for rafter, starting rafter. Okay, now from here again we can, or it is automatically, it is added already. Now we will define another section and it is 400. So this 0.4 and end also 4 and other things are same. Add. This is number 3 and number 4 is this built up rafter 400 to 550. So this 4 and here 0.55, others are same. Add. So these 4 we have added. Another, this end we can also add here in column 305 to 56. 300 and this is 5, this is 5 web thickness and 250, this is 300 web at the end and this is 25 and then web flange thickness 0.66 millimeter. Add. This is number 5. This built up section 250 258. So this 25 5 and another 25. Flange thickness is 8 millimeter. This add. This is number 6 and here the gable column 255 and 256. Here is 6. Then add. So our section definition or section property completed. Now we will assign these properties. Now first go to this one. Now select this and this, then assign. Yes, this is our number 1, then this number 2. First select this one, then select the frame, assign. Okay, now select number 3, this and this, then assign like this. Number 4, sorry, it's first select this one, then select frame, assign. Yes. Now if we want to see the original frame in 3D rendering, then from here also we can see. Here is the view 3D rendering. From here we can see, and from here also structure diagram, full section, apply. Okay, so this is our section and our column is column direction is not proper. See here, this will be our column direction. So we'll assign beta angle, create beta angle 90 degree. Okay, now select this one, now select this column and this column, then assign. Yes, so this rotated. You can change this color. I have changed already the set structural colors. Here this entity default pink color. From here you can change the color. See, like for example this one. Okay, so it is changing by this way. I like this color, so I use this one. Okay, now we will display whole structure. I'll go to diagram, none, apply. Okay, now go to geometry, This one now I don't need, I will delete this one. You select node cursor. Okay, yes. Now I will select all the beams. Okay, then geometry, translational, repeat this minus 5.5 along x direction. Okay, okay. Here I want to change this section, so go to property, this tab part, this number 4, this one 5. Now select this one, assign, yes. Now this all the beams I want to merge, beam tool, and here is the option merge beam, merge. Okay, and this side also, if you select both at the same time, I will select this and this, then go to merge beam, merge. Okay, now these two, first I will select this number 6, then I will assign this beam. Okay, now I will go to this one, I will replicate in the z direction, the distance 7 meter, step 2. Okay, this one. Now I will go to select node cursor, select this node and this node. I will go to move node by, for example, 2 meter. Okay, now go to select beam and this one and this one, these 4 I want to intersect. Okay, so now I will delete this one, yes, and this one, yes. Now I can merge this frames. That time I wanted to tell that one, you can select both side and then you can merge beam. I see the list, it will be merged, yes, then next it will be merged, close. Now I will create node, insert node, new point by proportion 0.5 at the middle point. Okay, I want to create joint here at the middle of the, here also I will create insert node at midpoint. Okay, half of this end rafter, here I want to provide one connection joint at the middle, here also. That's why I have divided this rafter into 2 parts. Here I want to give a connection, and this rafter, this cable column and this cable column will be connected to this end frame by a pinned support or pinned connection only at the bottom planes of these rafters. Now we will release the moment from the top of this cable column. So double click on this and change release at start Now this one not at its end, we will release the moment. Okay, partial release moment, we will use 0.99, that means 99% release of this moment at the top of the cable frame. Add close. Now here is the symbol, red circle, that means it is released. Now for this one, go to specification. Here you will get this one, this end MP, and select this one, then select this frame, assign, yes. Okay, so end moment release we have assigned as it is acting in the structure, supporting the rafter with pin support or pinned connection. Here fixed connection or moment connection is not possible, so that it cannot take that much moment, so that we have released 99% moment from top of this column. Okay, now this rotation I have to change, because this is in same rotation I have replicated from this side. See here in plan, this is the column end column direction, but cable column direction in reverse. Okay, I will go to geometry and property, beta angle. I will select I will create beta angle 0. Okay, this one select and select this and this, assign. Okay, now I can see the structure diagram, full section apply. Okay, so this is our interior portal frame and this is end portal frame we have modeled. Now what we will do, we will apply the loads and then we will replicate these frames to other grids according to the plan, this plan. Okay, so in the next tutorial I will show how to assign loads in STAAD Pro.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.